If you thought Google Translate was just for awkward word-for-word translation, think again. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your place to get all the latest tech news. The app is getting a major AI boost, making translation smarter, faster, and more natural than ever, and some of the updates are already rolling out. First up, Google is tapping its Gemini AI to level up translations. No more clunky literal translations. Now the app can handle slang, local expressions, and subtle nuances, giving results that actually make sense. The update is live in the US and India for English and over 20 other languages, including Spanish, Japanese, and German. Next, the app is getting serious about language learning. Google is adding streaks, a feature familiar to fans of Duolingo to track how consistently you practice. It also sets personalized challenges, making users to show up daily and improve their skills. Plus, language learning tools are expanding to 20 more countries this month, giving even more people a reason to learn new languages. The final update is perhaps the most futuristic: real-time translations using Gemini's speech-to-speech tech. Imagine watching a show in another language or listening to a lecture and hearing instant, real-time translations as you go. The beta supports over 70 languages and is currently rolling out on Android in the US, Mexico, and India, with iPhone users and other countries set to join in 2026. With these updates, Google Translate is no longer just a dictionary in your pocket. It's becoming a full-on AI-powered language friend, perfect for travelers, learners, and anyone trying to break down language barriers. What do you think about this update? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming updates.